PQ Tech Shield team. Thanks for giving us the opportunity to present the invoice verification system, also known as InVeSt, which is the latest program that we designed, developed, and launched. The purpose of InVeSt is to help facilitate the automation of invoice data extraction, autofilling, and verification. Before InVeSt, investigators need to upload the invoice document manually to document repository widget. Then they will have to fill out invoice metadata by first checking the invoice and then typing the data accordingly, so that they will take the next steps to verify the invoice. And take an example of the invoice metadata that an investigator will need to input for one single case. As we can see, there are more than 15 fields that needed to be filled for a single document. Needless to say, this is both time-consuming and error-prone, which is why we developed the InVeSt system to help investigators verify invoice in an automatic style. InVeSt is a document repository integrated system that enables invoice analysis and data extraction and autofilling, powered by the optical character recognition technology. The OCI InVeSt uses is AWS TextRact, which is a powerful and accurate OCR service with the cutting-edge machine learning models. InVeSt has two key features. The first one is the auto-loading of invoice on document repository with some metadata already captured. And the second one is a bounding box feature to let investigators select certain area of an invoice and then extract and fill the text contained in that area into the metadata fields. By using InVeSt, we reduce significant amount of manual tasks for investigators on verifying invoice, thus reducing the time required for each case processing and also increase the efficiency and accuracy for verification. Let us now take a look at the demo video on how to use InVeSt.
Welcome to the Invoice Verification System, InVeSt, video demonstration. InVeSt automatically extracts metadata from invoices. The list of features includes: all appeals documents are auto-loaded to the Task Documents tab in the Document Repository, a Gating Documents tab in the Document Repository widget with all the first contact gating documents auto-loaded. Documents in the Task Documents and Gating Documents tabs are highlighted with an exclamation mark above the image icon. Supplier name and document ID is already displayed for new documents. And a bounding box that allows you to automatically extract or update invoice metadata for all the supplier and document fields. Now, with the help of an example, you'll learn how to effectively perform invoice metadata extraction using the invoice verification system. First, go to the Document Repository widget in Paragon. If you're working on an appeal task, select the Task Documents widget to access the invoice verification system. If you're working on a gating task, select the Gating Documents widget. Please note that the new documents would already be available in the respective tabs. For this demonstration, the investigation will be a gating task, so select the Gating Documents widget. Input the task ID in the search box to filter the relevant task ID. Notice that the supplier name and document number are already auto-captured by the system. Click the bounding box icon to access the invoice. The bounding box provides various features, like extracting metadata using the extract icon, previous and next icons to go to different pages of the invoice, rotate icons to rotate the invoice clockwise or counterclockwise, and zoom in and out magnifying glasses. To extract the metadata from the invoice, first select the field that you want to extract, for example, the address of the supplier. Click the Extract icon, drag over the area you want to extract, and select Extract. This will automatically capture the metadata. It's important to note that the extract function might not work if the document's font is too small or too large. When that happens, try again after zooming in or out based on the font size. Use the same method to extract all other required fields. If the extracted information is incorrect, you can always make manual edits by clicking into the input field. Text extraction currently works in English, French, German, Spanish, Italian, and Portuguese. If the text in the invoice is in any other languages, it can't be extracted. Once all fields have been accurately filled, click Submit to update the extracted information. Now input the remaining empty fields like invoice date, ASIN, quantity, and the document evaluation, then click Submit. You can now see that the extracted information has been successfully updated in the Gating Documents tab. And that's it. You've now seen a full walkthrough of the steps involved in extracting invoice metadata using the Invoice Verification System, or InVeSt. Thanks for watching.
This launch of invoice metadata text extraction, it's only the beginning of InVeSt invoice verification system. For future work, first, we will pre-populate more metadata fields and support more fields in the bounding box feature. Second, we will invest into 2 new features, similar invoice search and ASIN auto detection to further improve investigation efficiency. Last, we will improve system performance and platformize the system so that it can be used more broadly. Thank you.